guys, Stevewolbach, your friendly public adjuster. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the importance of knowing what your policy says, the importance of knowing the level of coverage. Are you aware that with the standard homeowner, as a standard homeowner, there are easily 3 levels of policies that give protection to your property? What level do you have? You have what we call a basic, there's a broad, and there's a all risk, all peril. That's the one that you should really have. The differences between each level is the amount of protection, the amount of coverage that you have per peril. You know, there are X amount of perils that the insurance company has defined, identified, that cause damage to your property, that when it happens within a certain way and condition, they will then pay on it. Well, do you know, depending on what type of policy you have, you may not have much coverage for all the perils. Or you'll have coverage for a limited amount, and that if something happens in a certain way, that you don't get paid on that. Or you have a limit to how much you can get paid. Very, very important to have the right policy. How do you get that? Do you rely on the insurance agent to do that for you? Does the insurance agent come out to your house and look things over and see the amenities that you have within the house? Do you know there are certain items that are found within the house that are not normally automatically covered in the policy? You need to get them endorsed, which is having added protection. I need that to be covered, so I want to endorse this. Please make sure that this will also be protected within my policy levels. If you don't do that, there won't be protection. There's where a public adjuster comes in and can help you with that. We can educate you on the different levels. We can show you differences and the pluses and minuses of things. If you have a very basic house with nothing going on in it and hardly any furnishings, perhaps you do just fine with the middle of the road policy. We don't ever recommend to have the bare bones. The bare bones policy, which is the basic, is more or less a fire policy. It does give you coverage for other things as well, but it is extremely limited. So if you're going to have one, we would say at least have the middle of the road, but we strongly urge you to get the top one. And we can help you with that. We can help you ask the right questions so that the insurance agent puts together the proper policy for you. That is sometimes known as a policy review. We do this all the time with our clients and people that we don't ever know, that didn't know in the past, just met you. We can come out, take a look at things, and give you constructive criticism, critique, if you will, the policy, and we ask you to take good notes, because we don't sell insurance, but we will let you know where your policy may be lacking, and this might be something you need to change. Guys, I hope that made some sense to you. If you like what you heard, would you give me one of these? Would you also share this with others? Perhaps you know somebody that would definitely benefit from something like this. And would you please go to my channel on YouTube and subscribe. I certainly can use as many subscribers as possible. Thank you very much for listening. Have yourselves a great evening, and God bless you.